Hi friends, welcome to our channel Quarantinecoders. Now we are going to teach you how to do Python tutorial. Now the basic thing you need to start with Python is you need to have an online editing app. Now I'll just show you how to make an online editing app. Just go to Google and type Jupyter and just click on the first search result. Like see here, the online editor name is Jupyter Notebook and we use that to edit Python. Now I'm going to show you how to use an online version of it. Okay, so this is what we are going to use in this tutorial, Jupyter Lab. This is where you can practice Python online without downloading anything. So you can just practice here whatever I teach in this video, and this will be very helpful for you as you no need to download anything and you no need to start setting up anything. Okay, so now let's wait for it to load. Okay, now this is the Jupyter Lab, and just follow the exact steps and how I did this so that you can get a clear understanding of how to do this. Okay, now we have opened the Jupyter Lab. Now basically this is an online editor where you can just directly start typing Python code and the prerequisites are already solved in the background. Okay, now I'm just going to create a new notebook, and what shall I name it as we are starting this Python tutorial. See, actually one thing to say, this is Python 3, this is the latest version and they have used it here, so it probably syncs with my video, so no problem on that. So I'm closing the default thing. And now I'm just typing print. The print statement in Python is used to print whatever is given inside it, and the double quotes is used to print whatever is exactly present inside that. Okay, now let's print hi guys, this is an online editor, and as you see I have given it in the print statement. And if you click on that run icon, that triangle, the inverted shaped triangle is called the run icon, and if you click on that, it is just prints exactly what is there inside the print statement. And this is your online editor which you can use throughout the video. Now I am using in my IDE which is called as PyCharm, and you don't need to worry about how to use it. The code is exactly the same in both things. Because I am practiced to do it in PyCharm, I am doing it in PyCharm. Now I am creating a new project in PyCharm. No problem, you can just type the code exactly as specified in that online editor called as Jupyter Notebook. Now in this class what we are going to do is we are going to learn the basics of Python. Python is very easy actually. Within 15 videos I think we will finish our Python tutorial. So now I am going to start with the very basics of Python, which is very easy, and you are doing it in an online editor called Jupyter Notebook, and I am doing it in an offline editor called PyCharm. It's taking so long to load. Yeah, let's wait. I lost signal. Yeah, got it back. Now I'm going to start a new project in this. Let me create a scratch file, and viewers, you no need to just take any of these steps into mind, because what you have to take into mind is the thing which I'm going to do now, that is starting the programming. Okay, so let me rename into basic. Now let's start with the basic thing. The basic thing in any language is the print statement. The print statement is used to print whatever is present inside it. In Python it's very simple. Just type print, and inside the brackets just use a single quotes or double quotes, and whatever you type inside it will be printed. See, in Python you can use either single quotes or double quotes. Both is allowed inside the print statement. Okay, so hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are called as Quarantinecoders. Use this quarantine to upgrade your skill set and learn many programming languages. And now just I am running it. As you can see, the output is displayed. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. That's exactly what I gave it inside the print statement. Okay, so now we have learned the basics of Python, which is the print statement. And now we'll go on to the next step. Okay, now we will move on to the next topic. Now we have learned Python. Now we are going to learn about intonation in Python. You know what is an intonation? If 5 is greater than 2, I am telling it to print 5 is greater. So what we are actually doing here is if 5 is greater than 2. We are checking, this is a condition. If 5 is greater than 2, I am printing 5 is greater. So whenever you check a condition, see there is an error throwing. It's saying intonation error. What is this intonation error? Whenever you are giving a condition statement, the statement below it to be executed should be at least 1 or 2 spaces below that, so that we can say that under this if block this print statement comes. So if 5 greater than 2, I need to print. So this print should come 1 or 2 spaces away from the if statement. Now see, the output is working, 5 is greater. This is called intonation. Basically, if you give a condition, just the statement below that you have to leave one or two spaces. Okay, now variables in Python. Um, a variable is anything which holds a value. Okay, now x is equal to 5. The variable x holds a value called as 5. Now y is equal to, hello guys, Python is very easy. The variable y holds a variable called hello guys, Python is very easy. See, hello guys, this is letters. Whichever alphabets we are using, that we have to give it within single or double quotes. This is called as a string. And 5 is an integer. An integer is a number. X holds the value 5 and y holds the value of a string. And now I am giving a comment in Python. The thing which we use to give a comment in Python is a hash. Anything followed by hash is called as a comment. So hash, this is a comment in Python. So this is just a comment and it won't work in the program execution, and this won't be printed also. So now what I am doing is printing x. Now what the variable x stores, the value 5. So 5 is printed as you can see below. Now I am commenting out the printx statement. So if I execute it now, nothing will be displayed because we have just commented it out. Whichever is given in comments won't run in the program. And now I am going to teach you how to give multi-line comments. See, hash is used for single line comments. We can give just a single line. Now for multi-line comments, you can use triple quotes. 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes can be used for multi-line comments. So now I am giving this as a multi-line comment, so I can type in many lines. I have followed it within triple quotes and triple quotes here. So this is a comment which we can give it in multi-line. In some programs we used to type it in a paragraph, and so that's why this is used. And single line comments, hash is used. Okay, so basically now we have learnt about comments, the print statement, and just the variables. In Python, no need to give any data types. Directly you can type x is equal to 5, y is equal to hello guys, anything, whichever you want. Yeah, now I am printing y and it just says hello guys, Python is very easy. Whichever is inside those quotes will be printed exactly as it is. So Python is pretty much easy. We have learnt about the print statement now, the variable assignment now, the comments in Python now. Now this y is called as an integer type. What is an integer type? Anything which is a whole number is called as an integer, and anything within double quotes which contains alphabets is called as a string. So now we are moving on to our next topic, variable names. There are certain rules to give variable names. What are the rules are? It should not start with a number. The variable name should not start with a number. It can start with an alphabet, like I have given here. My variable is equal to 10. It starts with an alphabet, but it cannot start with a number. And a variable can have special symbol. Special symbol means only underscore can be used in a variable name, and that too the underscore name should be used in between the variables, or it can also be used at the start of a variable. So now I am using my underscore variable. Now I am using underscore at the start of a variable. Both are fine because underscore can be used anywhere in the name of a variable. Now I am going to show you some invalid names which you cannot use. As mentioned before, we should not use number in the variable. Okay, and we should not use other special characters except underscore in a variable. So now I am going to give you some examples of invalid names of variables. See, to my variable. Now we have started this variable with the number 2, and that is a mistake. And now we have used another special character. We have used a dash instead of an underscore, and this statement also throws an error. So we started with a number and it's thrown an error, and we gave a special character in between except underscore, it thrown an error. And we should not also use space between variable names. See, now I'm using a space between variable names, and this also throws an error. So these are the things you just have to avoid when naming a variable. Now let's go into our next topic called as multiple assignment. Now if you want to assign three variables like x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6, z is equal to 7, you have to type it in each and every line. So that's why we are using multiple assignment. We can assign 3 variables or 4 variables or 5 variables, how much ever we want in a single line of statement. See, now I'm giving like x, y, z. I'm assigning values for x, y, z in a single line. So x, y, z is equal to orange, apple and cherry. So x will be orange, y will be apple and z will be cherry. The same order, x, y, z. It starts with x, ends with z. So it starts with orange. So orange will be given to x. It ends with z. Cherry ends that side. So cherry will be given to z. X is orange, y is apple, z is cherry. So I am printing all the three things and just checking the output I told you just now. So now let me run. The shortcut to run here is Shift F10 in my Python IDE, but in an online editor you can just click on the run button. See, as you can see, the output is orange, apple and cherry as I have printed in the order x, y, z. So now I'm going to teach you about multiple assignments. Now what if I want both all x, y, z, everything to be just a name called orange. So I'm giving x is equal to, y is equal to, z is equal to orange. So this assigns the value orange to all the three variables x, y and z. Okay friends, that's it for this introduction video. Please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, Quarantinecoders. The link to the Jupyter Lab notebook is given in the description, and use headphones for the best audio quality. Stay tuned for more videos. Signing off, Quarantinecoders.